What is Andrew doing, Maria?
I don't know.
What's he doing? Say Skylar. Say Skylar. Maria, can you say Skylar?
Daddy.
Skyky. Can you say Raina?
No.
No? Okay, you want to go? You want to push?
No.
No? Want me to push you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Here you go. Woo! Ow! 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 Skylar, what are you doing there?
I'm swimming.
What are you doing, Andrew?
I want to go sledding.
You want to go sledding? Where?
Down that hill.
Down that hill?
Uh-huh.
It's not a very big hill.
Huh?
It's not a very big hill. You still want to go? What are you going to sled on?
A sled.
Why do you have a bucket of ice?
Andrew, be careful on it. Why? Go in here. Go in where? In the igloo. Please. Right.
Maria,
Be really careful, okay?
you want another push? Okay. Are you tired?